Driving an electric car versus a gas car is like stepping into two completely different worlds, each with its own unique character and personality. The moment you get behind the wheel, you can feel the contrast in every detail, from the way the car starts, to how it moves, to the sensations you experience as you drive. In a gas car, you turn the key or press the start button and hear the engine come alive, a familiar mechanical symphony of pistons, valves, and exhaust. The vibrations, the rumble, and the rising tachometer all signal that something powerful is about to happen. It's a ritual that's been part of driving for over a century, and for many, it's an essential part of the experience. In an EV, you press a button and instead of noise, there's a calm silence. The dashboard lights up and the car is instantly ready to go. No engine noise, no vibrations, just a quiet anticipation. It feels almost futuristic, as if you're piloting a high-tech gadget rather than a traditional car. Hit the accelerator in a gas car, and you feel the engine build power gradually, shifting through gears as the revs climb. There's a sense of anticipation as the car responds, the transmission working in harmony with the engine to deliver speed. Each gear change is a small event, a moment you can feel and hear. Electric cars, on the other hand, leap forward the instant you touch the pedal. There are no gears to shift, just a surge of smooth, silent acceleration that feels almost effortless. The power is immediate and linear, making city driving and merging onto highways feel surprisingly exhilarating. The difference in sound changes everything. Gas cars connect you to the machine with every growl and vibration, making you feel like you're part of a living, breathing mechanism. In contrast, EVs offer a sense of calm and focus, letting you enjoy the journey in near silence, with only the faint hum of the electric motor and the sound of the road beneath you. Some drivers miss the roar and excitement of a traditional engine, finding joy in the visceral feedback. Others fall in love with the peace and quiet of electric driving, appreciating the stress-free environment it creates, especially in busy city traffic or on long commutes.